A family rescued a bird that was laying eggs and raised it in their house. Yes, he was a parrot. Parrots are about 394 species of birds, in 92 different genera that make up the order Psittaciformes of the order Neotropical parrots, and live mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. The order Psittaciformes includes 3 superfamilies, including the Psittaciformes, the Cockatoos, and the New Zealand Parrots.
To see more videos of the wonders of the world, please subscribe to the Life in Paradise channel. Thank you.